Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It is still me here, Josie Nadi, your real estate therapist. On here, I give you information that will help you make informed real estate decisions, investing in real estate here in Nigeria, while buying safe and profitable investments in Nigeria, precisely in the city of Enugu. So today we are going to be talking about a very important factor to consider. Today we are going to be talking about 5 major things to consider before buying a land for resale. So in one of my last videos, I talked about 5 major things to consider before buying a land to build and rent, which is a strategy for the real estate market. Now, if your strategy for the real estate market is to buy land and resell, then here are the 5 things you need to consider before buying that land for resale. If you have not subscribed to this channel, why not do so now? Because I'm gonna be dropping a whole lot of tips for you to help you make informed real estate decisions, especially when you're investing in Nigeria. Okay, the first thing you actually need to consider is, come on, wait up. I know you want to hear that, but you have to wait on it. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please do so. So the first thing you want to consider is actually how long you are willing to wait for your investment to mature. So let me tell you something. This particular point is actually what will change the game for your real estate investment. If you are able to get this right, then you have a quick and sweet flow, because it will actually give you a guideline on where to invest, the kind of properties to invest, and actually you making the best and good real estate investment. So you have to actually decide how long you are willing to wait. You cannot invest in the same place with someone if you have just 2 years to wait with someone that has 5 to 10 years to wait. It's not the same time limit, okay? So you actually have to decide how long you're going to wait, and then you look for locations that suit your timing for investment, okay? When you are done deciding on how long you are going to wait, then you go on with what we call location research. Yeah, you have to research every valid location for real estate investment in the city or states you want to invest into. While you're researching these locations is to actually forecast these locations and also predict how long it will take investment in these locations to appreciate. Then you can now decide through your forecast the best location for you depending on your timing for your investment. For what we talked about the first time, okay? So depending on your timing for investment, you can now decide the location that suits your timing, okay? Yeah, we have plenty of locations you can invest here in the city of Enugu, but it depends on your timing for investment. So when you're done researching the location and you've chosen the best for you, then you want to go on and check the level of development in that location. You have to see improvements already. They say success equals footprint. So if there is no level of success in that, there will never be. Okay, so you have to actually check the level of development in that area. These are the things that will help your property appreciate faster, quicker, and even better. Okay, so you want to check the future infrastructural projects that are coming up there, the present ones, and the presence of government, whether state or federal government, in that location that you want to invest into. Okay, it is very, very, very paramount, because in a location that doesn't have this, may take longer time to appreciate, and you know you are working with time. Yes, you work with time when you want to make a very good real estate investment. Then the fourth thing you want to do you want to know the fourth thing? This particular thing have actually landed a whole lot of investors in a very emotional and demented state. Yes. Have you ever seen governments demolishing people's houses, like houses that they built with their hard-earned money, and they have stayed in it for a couple of years, and all of a sudden the government just comes and everything is on the ground? Have you ever seen that? Man, it's a very emotional stuff. They are always in an emotional state. Even you watching it, you feel their pain. Yeah, this is actually the particular reason why this thing happened to investors, and I don't want that to happen to you. So you have to really take note of this fourth thing I'm about to say. When investing for land banking, especially in Nigeria, please, you want to check the zoning of the area you want to invest in. When you are investing in real estate, especially in this country, Nigeria, and in Enugu State, you want to check the zoning of the area you want to invest into. It is very, very important because every state has their ground layout plan. They already have where they want each project to be into. They already have areas specific for residential purposes. They already have areas that are just for commercial purposes. They already have areas that are for government infrastructural developments. They already have all of these things mapped out. So you don't want to invest in the wrong area. So you want to actually check the zoning of that location you have decided in the second point to invest for your real estate investment. Okay, you want to check if it is really for the purpose you want to invest, so you don't get stories that touch the heart after few years of making your investment. It's not always a good thing. It's really, really, really painful. Okay, when you are done checking out the zoning of the area and making sure that this location that I want to invest in is in the right zone for the purpose I want to invest into, then you can do the fifth and the most important thing, which is documentation. You want to check for the documentation of the property you've decided to invest into. Okay, that property you are looking at investing, you've checked the location, you've checked the government presence in that location, and then you've checked the zoning and it is the right zone. Then you want to check if this property has the right and authentic documentation. And how can you do that if not doing complete due diligence on that property? I always hammer due diligence. If you don't do it, you make a lot of mistakes when it comes to investing in real estate in Nigeria. I made a video showing you the complete steps of doing due diligence here in Nigeria. You can go and check it out. I will drop the link in the description box so you can go and check out the video. Due diligence is very, very important. You do status due diligence for the ownership of the property, and then you do title due diligence for the documentation of that property to be sure that you're buying a legit and safe property, and properties that are free from acquisition, properties that are not in caveats, and all of that. It is very, very important. You want to conduct complete due diligence on the property you want to buy before even going on to buy it. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you got value from this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got value from this video, give me another thumbs up, and then subscribe to this channel. I want you to subscribe so you'll be the first and be notified so anytime I drop a new video. Until I come to your face again, I am still Justin Nadi, your real estate therapist, always rooting for your wealth creation. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye.